1, 2, 3, go. All right. You guys got it. You guys got it. Yo, he's goofy, all right?
I'll call out.
Yeah,
I'll
he's
call out
goofy.
the tricks.
Yeah, all around here. All right, he did it. All right, here's Andrew. All right, bolts. That's S for Andrew. All right. All right, Andrew got it. All right, you got it, Andrew. Switch. All right, with the NYC stews. K for Andrew.
It's going to be a K. All right, let's go. Chris on the offensive. Oh, wow.
Got it, Andrew.
It's a good try. Good try.
All right. Switch from big. Beautiful.
Wow. Nice defense there.
All right.
Oh, nice. Either backside. Let's do it. Oh, nice try. Nice try. It's going to be S.
That's S for Chris.
All right. Let's go. We got a good matchup so far.
Back heel.
Back heel. Wow, wow. Very nice. Here we go.
Back big.
All right, all right.
Half cat flip.
Yeah, yeah. Very nice.
Switch heel.
Nice try, nice try. KK.
You guys got it. Nice attempt, nice attempt. That's A, right? A for Andrew.
Chris on the offensive. Oh. All right, good try.
You guys got it, yo.
Alright, it's T-Day. Tee up, tee up. Yo, you got it, yo. Tee up, both have to tee. This is left. One more try. For the game. And that's game for Andrew. Chris is the winner.
All right, so it's one.